Oh, hi friends, and welcome back to Lollybeep Bridge. I was just looking for a new story about... What was that? Oops, sorry, I dropped my book. Oh, Willow. I was looking for a story about gravity. I have a new experiment all about gravity. You do? Well, that sounds like fun. But what is gravity exactly? Oh, I don't really know how to explain it. Maybe we need to call over to the science lab and ask Miss Coates for help. Yeah. Oh, good morning, Miss Books. Good morning, Willow. How can I help you today? Good morning, Miss Coates. Hi. Willow and I were just wondering if you can tell us what gravity is. You bet I can. Gravity is the force that attracts any body to the center of the Earth, or towards any other physical body that has mass. Huh? Do you know how to explain gravity, friends at home? Yeah, gravity is what makes things fall to the ground, like this ball. Exactly what I was gonna say. Oh, Willow. Well, let's go see about your experiment. Are you ready, friends? It's a beautiful sunny day here in Lollybeep Bridge. Willow has made her way outside to start her science experiment on gravity, and Henry is going to be her assistant. Careful, Henry. Don't let those balls roll down the hill. But Willow, I thought we climbed all the way up the hill to roll the balls down. Whew. Willow? Whew. Are we there yet? Whew. Nearly there. Nearly? You said that ages ago. Well, nearly halfway. Ugh. You're so funny, Henry. We climbed all the way up the hill so I can test gravity and see where the balls go. Gravity? You don't need these balls to test that. We should roll down the hills ourselves and see where we go. I'd love to roll down the hill with you, but I want to know whether the pink ball or the green ball will go further. Which ball do you think will go further, Henry? Well, green is my favorite color, so I think the green ball will win. Henry, I don't think the color of the ball makes a difference. Oh, Well, the green ball is heavier than the pink ball, which means it has more mass. And you think the more mass it has, the faster it will roll down the hill? Exactly. That's my hypothesis too, Henry. You have a hippopotamus? No, silly Henry, a hypothesis. It's what I think will happen based on what I already know about gravity. Oh, right. But a hippopotamus would be fun too. Oh, Henry, let's see if we're correct in our hypothesis. All right, I'm always ready for science. Okay, ready, steady, go! Whoa, they're rolling too fast. We better run after them. Oh no!
It looks like Willow's science experiment might be getting a little bit out of control. Hey, do you two need some help?
We're okay. Thanks, though.
Okay.
Oh dear, those balls are going everywhere. And the pink ball is heading straight for Blue's mud castle. Watch out, Blue! Ah! Puh, yuck, phew, phew. Oh man, I'm all covered in mud. Blue, are you okay? Hi, Willow. Yeah, I'm okay. But it looks like I had a mud bath. Look, the pink ball is in Blue's mud castle. Wow. If the pink ball made it to the mud pit, that means it had to go past the duck pond, past the dog park, all the way here to splatter Blue from head to toe with mud. That ball came all this way to start a mud fight. A mud fight? A mud fight! Ha! I'll get you, Blue. Wait, wait! Where did the green ball go? I don't see it anywhere. I think I saw a green ball go that way, right before I was attacked by mud. Sorry again, Blue, but we have to go find that ball. Come on, Blue, we better follow Willow.
Well, we know how far the pink ball went, but I wonder where the green ball is. Boy, I sure hope it doesn't ruin anyone's picnic today. Uh-oh. That doesn't sound good.
What was that? Oh no! Ah! No! Mrs. Crocodile, your picnic pie! Willow, Henry, Blue, my goodness, you're all covered in mud. What are you lot up to? Whew! Science. Willow is doing a science experiment. And look, the green ball is in Mrs. Crocodile's pie. Oh, pine cones. I'm so sorry about your pie, Mrs. Crocodile. It's okay, Willow. What goes up must come down. That's exactly right, Mrs. Crocodile. We took 2 balls to the top of the ridge, and the pink ball ended up in the mud pit. But the green ball went past the duck pond, past the dog park, through the mud pit, through the playground, across the tennis courts, and then ended up here in your pie. Henry, you said that the green ball would go further because it was heavier. And you were right. Wow, Henry. How did you know the heavier ball would go further? Well, a few weeks ago, I was in my kitchen baking. I had left the windows open to let a cool breeze come through because the oven gets really hot. And in blew a feather right through the window in front of my nose. Just as I grabbed it, I let out a huge sneeze. Achoo! I dropped the feather and the egg that I had in my other hand. The egg landed first because it was heavier. Oh, pine cones. That's really clever, Henry. Well done. Speaking of baking, would anyone like some smashed berry pie? Oh, I had a hippopotamus that a smashed pie tastes just as good as a non-smashed pie. And I want to test it out? A hypothesis, Henry. That's what I said. Oh, Henry.
Wow, what a really special day Willow has had. Let's see, we learned that a ball with more mass is gonna roll downhill faster than a ball with less mass. And, we learned that a squished berry pie tastes just as delicious as a non-squished berry pie. That's really important. Isn't science so much fun? Yeah. All right, scientists, it's time to wrap up this story. But thank you so much for joining me, and I really hope I'll see you again soon. Bye! I wonder which story I should read next. Hi, friends. Did you enjoy this adventure? Yeah, that was fun, wasn't it? If you want to follow along on more adventures, make sure to click that big red subscribe button. And we'll see you again real soon. Bye!